Hello students, how are you? I'm your computer teacher Prakash Srivastav, and today I will tell you some new things from second chapter HTML. Students, this chapter is very interesting because in this chapter we will understand something as related to the web designing. The web designing, as it is very interesting to learn and very interesting to know about the designing of the web page. In the last video, student, I told you about the what are the mandatory tags to create in the HTML, and what are the important software to use to create the web page here. So here the some structures of HTML document you can read here. You can see in on the screen here, okay, as a structure of an HTML document. Here, as we use the angle brackets to create as a tag here. As you know, okay, tag is very important. That is an important element in the HTML, and it is enclosed in a angle brackets. And for the HTML document, we can be written in any text editor, for example Notepad, WordPad, Eclipse. And after the creating the HTML document, we have to save with the extension .html or .stm. So this is here the structure of the HTML. That is you can see on the screen here in the yellow format here is a given. And these are the tags, are mandatory tags. When you create your program, these tags will be important, will be very essential for every program in HTML here, as they starting with the HTML tag, then head tag, then title, head, closing, body open and body close, and then close the HTML. So these are the mandatory tags, as you can understand in a better way. That is a started here this tag. This is HTML tag, because this HTML tag tells to the as the browser that is an HTML documents here. Then head tag, it is a header tag. A header tag means you can say header section of the web page. And this is a title tag. Title tag, it is tell the you can say, you can give the name of your web page document. The web page document, this is by the title we can here. As you can see on this is here the web page, and this web page as it has given the name of the this web page, as you can give any name to your web page while creating, but according to your program. Now here, then after, as a closing this title tag, because it is a container tag and it close with the angle bracket here as a forward slash here. So then after that the title ending, then we will here end with the head tag also. This is a forward slash and then a head here. As you know, ki the HTML is not a case sensitive. In means you can write in a capital letter or in a small letter you can write here. Then body tag, opening and closing, means between the body opening and closing tag you can insert any tags, or insert any element, insert any attributes, because this body tag as a container. And you can say ki it what the matter you contain in inside this body tag. This is a body tag, contains the contents of the web page to be shown and displayed attractively. In the body section of the HTML documents, various tags are written for the text decoration and presentations. So it means what do you want to show, what do you want to decorate with the elements, different elements we can insert in this body tag here. You can say okay, this is a container tag. And some are the as a some tags which is not necessary to close, that is called the empty tag here. The empty tag, such tags as like HR tag and BR tag, these are some tags are empty tag, means that tag is not necessary to close. Such like this tag is necessary to close, like starting with here the tag and closing with this type. So it is a closing with the forward slash tag. So this is a as a container tag. Empty tag, which is not important to close the tag. As I told the name HR and BR tag. Here some are tags you can see on the screen also. Apart from the basic tags discussed, other tags also attribute used in this activity as given here. This is students, you can see this is a attributes tags. Attributes tags means inside the tag you can insert some tags, I mean some elements and attributes to decorate or to show attractively to your web page here. Like as a first here, the BG color, body BG color means if you want to give the color of the background of your web page, like this here it is given here the yellow color, you can use the attribute for giving the background color. So here as a BG color, as a blue means BG color, BGCOLOR, and here the equal sign, and close the color name with the double inverted comma. And if you want to give the color of the text, then you can write here the text and the color name of the text, what which color you want to give here. That will be also in the inverted comma here. And then body is a container tag, as I told you here. A BG color as the attribute that gives the background color to of the web page here, and its value is given here the blue. The blue is here the value of the color here. And then here the as a heading tag, that is called here the H1 to H6, means there are six heading tags from starting from H1 to H6. H1 it is the largest tag and largest heading, and H6 it is the smallest heading. Means if you want to write in a heading form, like this you can see here, it is given the heading here the computer network. It means you can write in the largest. Here is given the heading of the first, means HR1. We can use, if you want to make the small little bit, we can use here the H2. Then if you want to more little than H2, then we can use H3. Like this we can here use the small to smaller here, the H1 to H6 here. And for giving here the underline the text, we can use here this tag for the underline the tag here. Underline means if you want to underline some text, we can use here the U tag. And if you want to make the bold, and we can use here the B tag here. B tag it is for the bold text, and I tag it is for the italicized, means italic text. If you want to create make, then we can use here the I tag here. And HR tag it is for the horizontal ruler. If you want to, as you can see here, if you want to make such a horizontal line here, we can use here the HR tag here, the HR for the horizontal ruler here. And if you want to break any line in between the paragraph, we can use here the HR tag, I mean BR tag. And BR tag for the breaking line here, just like as an enter key here. The as you use while writing in the document, we use for the breaking the line enter key, same as a BR tag we use to insert in the programming for breaking the line in the paragraph here. And P align it is a paragraph, P for paragraph. And if you want to give the your paragraph a line, so we can as use align center, align left, align right. We can give here the alignment of the paragraph here. One by one, student now understand here the some tags and their attributes here. The body tags, as I told you, it defines how the text will look on your web page when page is loaded in the web browser window. And some attribute like BG color, as I told you, if you want to give the background color, we can use the BG color here. And text, if you want to give the text color with, like here you can see it is written in the green color, we can give here the as a with the text as a green color. And if you want to blue, then we can give here the text with blue color here. So this is here the sum as a attribute here. And this is a, for example, bg color, such use as a here the values here is as a given here the rgb values, that is called the rgb values. And you can give the values also in a number from 00 to 99 as a aa to ff, the see the colors displayed in the web browser. You can use this code to give the color on your web browser here. Link and vlink, it is for the given the link color and visited link color. If as you open the internet and you when you search any information by internet, then you can see the result is given in the blue line, underlined with the blue line, that is called the link color blue. And when you see that link, that in convert in again in the red color or brown color, that is called the visited color. Default color as a browser takes in the blue and brown color or red color, but you can change according to your convenience. If you are coding with, then you can change that here. Then after we can see here the such a link and the link here as a, then student you can see here the left margin and top margin. When you open your web browser, I mean when you web page, then we see here the margin here, the from the top and from the left margin. We can here give the some values for top margin and left margin. So this is here the text, web page always start from the some distance away from the left and top side web page boundary. This blank space toward the left and the top of the web page are left margin and top margin respectively. The left margin attribute sets the left margin of the web page, and top margin attribute set the top margin of the web page. These attributes are written in the body tag with any value in the pixel form. So it is means you can see this program also here. You can see here this program as a given here. I am zoom this coding here. You can give the margin here, top margin, and here the left margin. So as the body bg color yellow, then text green, top margin equal 50 and left margin here the 40 here. So this you can give the margin, top margin and left margin in your web browser. Now next here student font, as you know key font here the such a appearance of our text, we can change here the font appearance and style of the font here. The style and font means as it is written also here, the appearance of the text can be changed using the font tag. The font tag is a container tag with the certain attributes. These attributes can be used to change the size, style, color of the text. Here the some text the some attributes of the font size, face, color. Size means if you want to make the size small and big, we can here specify the size value here. Default value of the text size is a 3, but we can change here changing the value. Face text can be written in a different style, like in the monotype, cursive, and black here, times new roman. So we can change here the some face here, that is a face means font face here, the it is the styles of the text here. Color, we can give the color of the text as I told you. If you want to change the font color, we can change here from 0 to 9 or a to f here. So this is here the font. We can see also in the coding form of the font here. Student, you can see here the for example is given here, the font size 5, color red, face garamount, and this is a here the this text will be displayed in a this format. The font size will be 5 and color will be red, and font size will be here the as a Garamount. So this is here the such a effective. If you want to make effect on the text, we can use the font size, font face, and here the such a font color here. So this is here the font about. Then again here the hr tag. For hr tag we can use for the making the such a horizontal ruler. As I told you, the hr tag, this is you can see on this screen here, this is a given here, the hr means horizontal ruler. In on this screen, if you want to give us such a line, if you want to create a line like this, you can use this line with the hr tag. Hr tag is a empty tag, as I told you, and draw the horizontal line in your web page here. The hr tag divides the web page into the segments with the help of the horizontal line here. It is a needed to hr tag here. You can see the example of the hr here, hr, then size, and then width here. If we can change the width of the, we can change the width and height of the here hr tag, hr here size. The hr tag also gives the options to showing the line as a two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Two-dimensional no shade attribute, and three-dimensional will be the color here. So like an example here, like the color, I mean like the code here, you can see here hr size 7, width 70, and no shade. No shade will show here the 2D effect, and color of the ruler can be selected along its appearance. It shows in the color format, that will be in the 3D format, that will be here. The color ruler can be selected. So when the absence of the no shade, the rule will appear transparent, giving it to the 3D effect. So students, for today, as I told you about the many tags here related to, but it is important to create a code with very carefully, because if we don't create the tags, if we don't use the attributes properly, then web page will be not you can say visible on the screen or in the web browser. So now for today, as I told you, in next video I will tell about the more paragraph and the other such options. So for this today, thank you so much for watching this video.